Well, it's Christmas Eve day. It's 7 in the morning. I'm back at Sean's. This is day 3. Working on the war wagon. One side is fairly mocked up. Still building the bump can. Is done for this side. We got to weld that on, and then we're going to tack the bump can on the other side. Hopefully get that done today. It's like a half day today. We got to go do family stuff. And then we got to build the crossover that goes over the top and get it around the turbo and a bunch of crazy shit. Whew. Probably next week. This is a serious project. I'm going to tell you right now. You know, sometimes when you get excited about things, you bite off a little more than you can chew. I am exhausted. My hands are so swollen. We have been putting in some serious work in 2 days. 2 days. We got a whole kit mocked up, most of the stuff built and put together. That's normally like a week's worth of work, I would say. Holy fucking shit, Jesus! Oh, was she upset in there by herself?
She was very bummed. Look at
this.
This is Luna, you guys. Little Loon Tune. Look at her. Oh, what's up, dude?
She's a precious little lamb.
Look at her. She's gonna be Uncle Kruesi's best friend.
Oh yeah, we spent a lot of time snuggling this morning. I was packing her around for a bit. Ah!
Oh, look at.
Whoa!
What can we do for a size comparison here?
Oh yeah, that's no justice on how small she is.
Yeah.
Put her next to one of these squirt bottles on the floor.
I got a soda can. Look how big this dog is next to a soda can.
You're just a little baby.
Oh, she's so little. I felt bad, so she's gonna hang out with me for a few minutes while I cut this piece. So bump stop cans right there.
That shit's dialed. I'm gonna mock them up, you think, on there? Get a little tack ski?
I'm gonna weld them out first.
Oh, all the way?
Yeah, that
Okay.
way. I guess I could tack them on there if we're gonna bust those off. But these will just be easier to weld out. Not on there, maybe. Maybe not.
Yeah, weld them out now, and then if we end up wanting to weld them on the truck, you don't do that thing.
Good call. Yep. So we're gonna. I'm not the best MIG welder. I'm gonna TIG weld all day long, but we're MIG welding all this stuff because we don't have months and months to finish this project. It'll probably take me the better part of this afternoon to weld these things up with the TIG.
Yeah.
Just because it takes so long. So
It gets so hot.
we're gonna do some practice speeds with the MIG and see if we can't dial in and put some halfway decent welds on the truck.
Muffin. Oh man, I think you got her dialed.
Pretty good.
That's damn good.
All right.
MIG welds look better than my TIG.
We'll see how it goes. I gotta put a couple tacks on this. I might fire the TIG back up. Just because I hate running over MIG tacks. It's the worst. Put these tubes in here. That way when we weld these things, we'll still be able to get bump stops in when we're all done. So nothing worse than when you finish welding your shit, realize you warped the fuck out of it, and it's a pile of junk you just spent 2 days working on. So yeah, hopefully that'll give us what we want. We'll see how my rusty MIG welding skills are. Haven't done a whole lot of trying to make MIG welds look good since probably welding school, so see what we can do here. What I'm thinking, we need to get these mocked up about where we want them. I'm pretty sure it's going to be asymmetrical because we're dealing with some real different shit on each side. But we'll get these about where we want them. We'll cut some tabs on the plasma, and then we'll hop on Bendtech and we'll draw our tube with the clearances we need, and then that'll spit out the dimensions and everything we need to cut, where we need to mark our bend lines, and get us pretty damn close to what we're trying to do here. So let's get some tabs made up for these, eh?
I'm excited about this piece.
You gonna give me zeros or what?
No, she's cracking. Let's go with 7. Oh my God, look at that. Well, we got, what, 4/100ths of a degree off?
4/10 of a degree.
4/10 of a degree off from the other side.
Oh, wait, no, that's
5.
Yeah, that's 4/100ths of a degree.
Yeah, that's hell
Not
yeah.
even 1/10.
Morning, everybody. It's day 4. It's early. We took Christmas Day off. We worked Christmas Eve day. We took Christmas Day off. And yesterday I spent the day gathering up some material and other things and some other mechanic work I had to do on my vacation. So we're back. We're back. It's Tuesday, 2 days after Christmas Day. We got a lot to do. Sean's birthday is on Thursday, and we want to have this thing done before Thursday. We got today and tomorrow. Probably just do some really long days. Today I'm going to try and build, well, I'm not going to try, I'm going to build the exhaust manifold, the charge pipe, and the down tube. Build it all around all this shit here. We need a piece of chromoly, 440 something or another chromoly. It's going to go on here over to the top, and then we're going to brace that, but that's being cut at IMS. We won't have that till noon. We got a plate in the frame. We still got to run down tubes from here to here. Oh man, it's all kind of setting in right now, honestly. And I slept about 3 hours last night. One of my dogs is sick and been shitting all over all night long. So my wife's a saint. She takes care of that stuff. But I'm still awake, and I'm feeling bad for her. Bad dog. I'd rather just throw the thing out the goddamn yard. All right, I'm gonna get started. We'll film as much as we can, but we're working super hard right now, so it is what it is.
There's a shitty train, I got no sun, there's only rain, I wanna crash and numb this pain. Nothing will last inside this lane. Oh, take me far away past these mediocre days, I need to stop this burn. Say, can you help me unlearn? This rodeo's got me feeling like a soul.
Cross member?
Got our miters cut for our cross member here. I'm gonna go ahead and plasma cut myself a little flat plate that I'll weld onto this, and then when I weld these two together, that kind of gives something to penetrate into, and it'll make this junction quite a bit stronger. So I'm gonna clean these up on the belt sander, and then probably cut those plates, put some tacks on it, and go see if we did our math right and it fits.
Oh yeah, we can test it up on the truck.
Yep.
That's exciting. This is what I'm most excited about. It's that big old nasty cross member over the top of the motor. It's gonna be like the piece of jewelry.
Yep. And this is 120 wall chromoly, which is some gnarly looking tube.
And it's gonna be double gusseted.
There's about $200 worth of metal right here.
Yep.
Damn near. So.
Yeah, we paid about $250 for 6 feet. That's insane, dude.
Yeah.
Thank you, democracy.
I should go before I'm oh no. 'Cause rodeos got me looking like a bad, bad girl. I should go before I'm no. Forbidden fruit is not always right. Make way for change. Oh, shitty train, I know for certain I'm insane. Nothing can live here. The mud is so deep, I can't see. Now take me to another country, let me start over. Oh, I long for green hills with meals and four-leaf clover. This rodeo's got me feeling like so. I should go before I'm oh no. 'Cause rodeo's got me looking like a bad, bad girl. I should go before I'm no, no. Forbidden fruit, oh, it's not always right. Make way for change. Make way for change. This rodeo's got me feeling like so. I should go before I'm oh no, 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 no. This rodeo's got me looking like a bad, bad girl. I should go before I'm rodeo.
The charge pipe from the other side is mocked up. We still got to pop it off and fit the top part a little better, but we got this part done. It was brutal. It took me a long time to get that bend down there right. It's like a bend on a bend and an angle on an angle. We're gonna do some tacking and some more fitting. It's late on day 4. It's about 8 o'clock at night. I gotta be at the gym at 6. I might be running out of gas.
Hello,
Oh my God, it's
How
8:30.
do you do?
I've been here since 7 this morning.
I'm riding you.
I am going home. I didn't get nearly as much done today as I wanted to. I wanted to finish the
I know
exhaust
it's been a
today, and I
long
only
time.
got
What you heard from me.
the crossover pipe tacked
I'm
up
still
today.
kicking around.
And that was a shitload of work, and it's not even done.
I heard you got
It's
a
probably
new
75% done, and I still have the
I heard you
downpipe
got a
to do.
new job,
They just got tons of bends
I
and
heard you
tons of
got a
crazy
new-
shit angles.
and it looks real nice.
It's brutal, but we're gonna keep trucking.
Are you ever lonely?
Kruesi Originals
Do
Dirt
you ever
Kings
think of
race kit install on a Chevy Silverado. It's really not that
lonely
easy.
trees?
Especially when you try and make it too
And
extreme.
before you toss this letter away, there's something that I've got